So yesterday we are discussing some topic, but I haven't done that due to some connection issues. What we are discussing, I think about libraries, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So chalo, if you let me connect, let me click on the current. Okay. So yesterday we have seen the type conversion. Let's say how we can change integer to float and integer to string, and how we can change float to integer and float to string, and how we can change string to integer and string to float. And clearly we have done yesterday, and everything is easy. But when coming to this part, integer, string to int and string to float, make sure if in between the quotes, if you have number, then only it can convert. If you have the combination like text as well as the number, and if you have the combination only the number, it is not possible. It's not at all possible. Okay, so that you need to keep in mind. And also now what we are okay. So type conversions we have done. So type conversions we have done. Now we are going to start a concept which is known as like I already told you, like built-in functions and libraries. Okay, built-in functions and libraries. So let's have a very good idea about this concept, and then we'll go to the next ones. Imagine this is a Python software. Let's say imagine this is a Python software. So Python software is the combination of, I'm writing here. So Python software. So Python software is the combination of built-in functions, and Python software is the combination of built-in functions and libraries. Okay, built-in function and libraries. Next number 2. Python software is the combination of built-in functions and libraries, where okay, I will write in the next line. Let me make it like this. Okay, what is a function? So let's say what is a function? Function means what? Function means which is assigned to do a specific task. For example, let's say if I want to do any work, if I want to do any work, like for example, if I want to play the cricket, this is one task. If I want to play football, another task. So like that, function means a task. In Python, we have a lot of functions. I'm telling you, every function is unique. Okay, every function is unique. So see here, whatever the box which is showing on the screen here, imagine this is Python. Imagine this is Python. Okay, imagine this is Python. So Python, this is Python software. Python software is having built-in functions like print. Okay, like a print. Let's say not only print, we can go with something like type. Okay, so these are built-in functions. Built-in function means the functions which are already developed by the Python community. Just you are the user, you are just going to use them. That's it. You are just going to use them. And also Python software is having the libraries. Lot of libraries are there. Not only built-in function, libraries also. One of the library I'm writing here, mathematics library. So every library will be having the functions again. You can ask me, sir, why, sir? There are two functions outside. And again, inside the libraries, functions are there. So why can't they also be outside? Here, simple logic you need to understand. Let's say, see, this is used to print. This is used for checking the data type. So not only mathematics library. No, suppose we have statistics library. We have machine learning library. Okay, we have AI libraries. A lot of libraries are there. So every library is separated. So everything, if we maintained in outside, so it is very hard to find. So the common functions will be outside, which is used regularly will be outside. But whenever I want to use the mathematics, whenever I want to use the mathematics, I will use the mathematics library. Whenever I want to use the statistics, I will use the statistics library. When I want to use the ML, I will use the machine learning library. Inside every library, I'm telling you, inside every library, you will be having functions. Let's say this, for example, this is function one, built-in function. This is function two. Suppose function three. Suppose function four. Imagine inside the math library, four functions are there. And these four functions are unique. Every function will do only one specific work. Whatever the function 4 is doing, function 1 will not do it. Whatever the function 3 is doing, function 2 will not do it. Everything is unique. And also in the statistics also functions will be there. Function 1, function 2, function 3 and function 4. So you can ask me one question. Sir, this the function 1 which is in the mathematics, do it will be available in the stats? No. All the mathematical functions will be available in the math library. All the mathematical functions will be in the math library. All the statistical related functions will be the statistics library. All the ML functions will be the ML library. In a simple way, your house, your products, my house, my products. So everything is unique. Okay, these are common. Like everyone can use it at any time. That's why they are outside. So now that's why I'm saying Python software is a combination of libraries and built-in functions. And inside every library also, their own built-in functions are there. Print and type are normal built-in functions. Inside the math library, whatever the functions are there, they comes under built-in functions which are present in the math library. Next, built-in functions which are present in the statistics library. Like that, built-in functions which are available in the machine learning library. Very simple logic. Now, okay, you are from the day one, like you are using the print and you are using the type. Fine, you are using the print and you are using the type. So don't worry about the print and type here. Now my question is, sir, I want to use one of the mathematics. Lot of functions are there in the math library. Sir, I want to see first of all. Okay, using different story. I will use it later. I don't want to use now. I want to see inside this math library what functions are there, how many functions are there, and what are there. What are there? I just want to see. And keep one thing in mind, guys. Library means it's like a luggage bag. Okay, it is present inside. See, library present inside the Python. If you want, it's like a luggage bag. Inside the luggage bag, you will be having all the things, no clothes. We will be having the clothes, perfumes, whatever we want, everything we will keep inside the luggage bag. If you want to use the clothes, guys, first you need to unzip the bag. Yes or no? Simple logic. Everything present inside the luggage bag. But if you want to use the things which are present inside the if you want to use the things which are present inside the luggage bag, okay, which are present inside the luggage bag, you need to unzip the bag. You just need to unzip the bag. Okay, very, very simple. So same thing I will be applying here. Same thing I will be applying here. I need to unzip. First, unzip the library. Without unzipping, you can't use the functions inside the library. Unzip the library. How to unzip, sir? How to unzip? Import. Import math. Import math means what I'm telling. Open math library. Okay. What this line says? Open math library. Okay. Guys, inside the math library only I have functions, right? But how can I see the functions? The functions which is present inside the math library. How can I, first of all, how many are there? First of all, how many functions are there inside the math library? Type dir and math. First, I am unzipping the library. I am opening the library. I am opening the library and I am asking total how many are there? Total how many functions are there inside the math library? Total how many are there? These many things are there. So if you sit and count, waste of time. What I will do? What I will do is, inside the math library, how many are there? I am asking. So it is giving me the count. Like it is giving me the names. I need to sit and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I need to sit and count. So what I will do? I will keep the L length here. LEN, which means length. Which means length. So what happens is, let's say, if you see this one, what DIR is doing? DIR is used to find DIR. So what DIR is doing? DIR is used to find is used to find how many. I mean, what? Not how many. Sorry for the terminology. So DIR is what it will do is DIR inside this math library.
It will giving the list of
Yes.
the functions.
Yes, it will give each and every function name. See, it is giving the each and every function name. Now what I'm saying, instead I don't want to see the function names here. I want to find out total how many are there. So what I'm doing, I'm passing the length. Total how many? Length means it will tell me how many total. And very simple logic. If you're opening, you're closing. If you're opening, you're closing. Simple logic. So now see, let me run it. How many are there total? Inside the math library, total we are having 63. See, 63 built-in functions in one library. Actually, in Python software, we are having thousands of libraries. In every library, averagely, if you keep 50 functions base, imagine how big the Python software is. That's why Python famous? Python famous because of the built-in functions. All these flexibilities are not there in other programming languages. If you want to do the mathematics, manually you have to do in Java. If you want to do the statistics, manually you have to do in the statistics. That's why Python becomes very famous. Okay. So total, okay, inside the math library, total we have 63. So what are the 63 names, sir? What are the names of that 63? See, DIR of math, because I unzipped it. Now I am finding what are the function names. What are the function names? See, these are the function names. These are the function names which are available inside the math library. Every function will do only one specific work. Now see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one function. So I'm going to use one function. What function we will use? Let's say see here. I'm going to use one function. What I'm going to use is simple here. I will use one function. What I'm going to use is math. How to use? Okay, so you have 63 functions now. You have 63 functions. Out of 63 function, I want to use one function. How you will use? You need to use with the help of library name only. Use library name and get the function. Okay. Use library name and get the function. Total 63 are there. In that 63, I want to use one function. So first what you have to do is you need to write the library name. Inside, so what you do is library. In the math library, keep dot. If you keep the dot, what happens is dot will do a lot of work here. Dot will do a lot of work. Math is a library. If I keep the dot, immediately dot will think, okay, math is a library. Inside the math library, what functions are there? See, dot is going to show you all the functions, all the 63 functions which are available inside the math. Okay, so inside the math library, these are the functions available. Which function you want to find out? Which function you want to use? Sir, I want to use factorial. So I want to use factorial. I'm passing 5. Now see, what was the logic? I opened the library. I unzipped. I am open the library. Using the library name, 63 functions are there. Out of 63 function, I am using one of the function which is factorial. This is library. This is function inside the library. I am using the factorial function. I am passing 5 to that factorial function. What this factorial function will do? It will find the factorial of a given number. Factorial of a given number. Math is a library. This is the function. Factorial of 5 is what? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. How much you are going to get? 120. You are going to get 120. Okay. If you run this one, you will be getting 120, definitely. Definitely will be getting 120, see? Okay. Sir, I want to use another function. What function you want according to the situation, what you want to use, definitely you can use it. So math dot. So you need to check out of 63 functions, which one you want to use. So which one you want to use? Just everything will be, it will give like 63 function dot will show in front of you. In the math library, all the 63 functions it will show in front of you. So, sir, I want to find a log or log 10, log to the base 10. Sir, I want to find the square root. I am writing 25. Okay, square root. So, square root of 25. What will be the answer, guys? In the math library, square root function I am using. For this particular function, I am passing 25. Square root of 25. Square root of 25. Yes or no? 5. Same to I told you. CPU 90% of the work will CPU will do with the floating values only. You can ask me, sir, 5, we need to get 5 now, why is 5.0 is coming? There is no difference between 5 and 5.0. Both are same. But CPU 90% of the work they will be doing with the floating values. That's why it is giving 0.0. So like this, any library, whatever the library that you want to use, you can use. In upcoming sections, many libraries I will introduce. So statistics, when we discuss statistics, on the time I will explain stats. When we, for the data science people, when we go to the ML, on the time I will explain ML. Deep learning libraries, generative AI, those libraries, lot of things. I hope you clear, guys, right? Type conversions and these libraries. Like if anybody asks what is the, lot of people will ask, in the Python, do you have the libraries? Of course, thousands of libraries are there. Every library, averagely 50 functions are there. So though imagine how big the Python software is. Guys, clear, right? Can we go to the next concept? All of you?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I'm going to save it. Just give me a minute. I'm going to save it. I'm going to close this. I'm opening a new one, which is operators. Okay. So which is operators. Okay. Which is operator. Okay, operators. Chalo. So operators, I will tell you very clearly, very, very important. So you need to understand the logic. So let me tell you very clearly about these operators. So how many operators that we need to learn? See, if you sit and learn the operators means 6 months it will take per operators only, according to the mathematics I'm talking. But as a data science people, as a data analysis people, as a AI people, so what operators that we need to learn? I will be helping you in that. Okay, I will be helping you in that. So first one, I will note down everything. I will note down everything. So give me a minute. I will note down here. Somewhere I will write the stuff. Somewhere. Okay, I will write here operators, right? Operators. Okay. Chalo. So what is operators? Operators is nothing but mathematical, the mathematical work which we are going to do. Mathematical works which we are going to do. Let's say plus is one of the operator. Plus is one of the operator which is used for addition. I will write here which is used for addition. Next day, subtraction. Okay, subtraction. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication. But this star symbol is there now. So star symbol means multiplication. So this is division. This is single forward slash is there now. We call them as division. Double forward slash if you use floor division. Okay, floor division. Percentile symbol is there now. You call them as mod function. Terminology is important. Don't say if any when you get placed in any company, If your manager asks means sir percentile, don't tell percentile. There itself he will scold you. You need to use the terminology is mod function. Okay, mod function. After the mod function, power. Okay, so power. Next, pow keyword. So this is nothing but built-in function. Built-in function for power. Next one. Okay, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. Okay, the single equal to, double equal to, not equal to 15. Not equal to. So 15 operators are very, very important. 15 operators are very, very much important. So let's see one by one. Let's see one by one very clearly. So first we'll start with addition plus. Okay, I'm simply writing plus. I think most of the people know addition. So guys, see, addition is very simple. 10 plus 20. How much guys answer? 10 plus 20. And I told you there is no need of giving the space. Okay, in the real time, you should not give the space. I'm telling you. See, if you give the space, your code will be not at all accepted. Your code will be not at all accepted. I'm telling you. Okay, so 10 plus 20 is how much, guys? If you run, I told you to execute the code, you need to run. In this particular box, if you run this one, how many lines are there in this box? Everything will run. Only one line is there. One line means I'm talking about the Python code. Okay, Python code is only one line. So this is a comment, this is a space. Ignore about those things. Only code is one line. So 10 plus 20 is how much, guys? 30. 10 plus 20 is how much? 30. Okay, 10 plus 20 is nothing but 30. You can do like this. Okay, you can do like this, or else you can do like this also. Let's say A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20. A equals to 10, B equals to 20, and you can write something like print A plus B. Okay, print A plus B. So what is this option? Same, both are same. This also, first line will save in the memory, A equals to 10. Second line will save in the memory, B equals to 20. So here, lot of students are asking me recently, exactly how this is working. See, don't go from outside to inside. That is completely illogic. Don't go from outside to inside. That is completely illogic. From inside to outside, we need to come. From inside to outside, we need to come. So, first of all, inside, what is there? You should focus on what is there inside. Inside A plus B is there. What is A? Which means user is calling A. If any person, if he is calling your family name, you will respond. Variable is like a family name. If you are calling A means A is holding 10 plus. If you are calling B means B is holding 20. So 10 plus 20 is how much? 30. Okay. So if you do this operation, you will be getting 30. So that means what? Print 30. Indirectly, print 30. A plus B 30. No, print 30. I told you inside the print, whatever you write, that will be the output. See, suppose if I write print 100, inside the print, what you are writing, that will be printed. That will be printed. Here also same story. Here also same. A plus B means you are getting 30. So print 30 means what? 30 will be printed outside. Okay. So this is how the exactly operation will be done. Either directly you can do the operation if you need, or else if you want to keep in a variable and if you want to do the operation, you can do it. You can do it. This is addition. And you know about subtraction. I think subtraction. So what is the meaning of subtraction? 10 minus 20, how much, guys? Minus 10. 10 minus 20, how much? Minus 10. Directly you write, or else A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20, B is equals to 20. Print A minus B. Print A minus B. 10 minus 20 is how much? Minus 10. Print 10 minus 20 is nothing but minus 10. Addition and subtraction. Okay. Then multiplication. Star symbol. Star symbol means multiplication. Okay. Star symbol means multiplication. Okay. Star symbol means multiplication. So multiplication means you know very well, right? Just multiply. Okay. Sudarshan is saying yes, it is correct only. Let's say, see, I'm copying your code here.
Sir, yesterday I have done this type on this.
Mistake. Mistake
no.
means this.
Yes, sir. See, same this is.
This is how you need to write, no? Why you are giving the space?
No, sir. This type, sir.
I didn't get come again.
No, sir. What you have told today, this yesterday I have practiced, sir. Same this type. Yes.
Okay. This is also possible, but
Yes,
here this you are doing you are making content here. Let's say you need to write A plus B, no? Capital A plus capital B. Okay, simple. A is equals to 10 will save in the memory. Capital B is 20 will save in the memory. Capital C is how much? A plus B, 10 plus 20 how much? 30, saving in the memory. Print C, calling from the memory. 30 will be the output. That is also possible. Simple. Next one. Multiplication. Multiplication, you know, which is just to multiply. For example, if I am writing 10 into 5, 10 5 is how much? 50. 10 into 5, 10 5 is how much? 50. Okay, 10 5 is 50. So this is what multiplication. So addition, subtractions and multiplication. So children, let's go for the division. So let's go for the division. Okay, division. So what is the meaning of a division? What is the meaning of a division? So let's do, suppose if I write 10 divided by 3. For example, 10 divided by 3. Mathematics you need to understand. So one forward slash means nothing but division. One forward slash means nothing but division. So 10 divided by 3. So 3, 10. So 3 3s are 9. What is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. If I keep the dot, I can add 0. Again, 3 3s are 9. Again, 1 will be there. I can add 0. Already dot is there. Again, 3 3s are 9. Again, 1 will be there. So 3.33, like it goes on like that. So see 10 divided by 3. Okay, you are getting 3.333 like that. So see here, guys, if you are keeping the division means division will collect this coefficient. Okay, division will collect this coefficient. I'm telling you, division will collect the coefficient. Very simple logic. Any number you take, any calculation you take, so division will take the coefficient only. For example, let's say if I am passing here, so 15 slash 3, 15 divided by 3, so 3 15, so 3 5s are 15, remainder 0. So division, what division will do? Division will take the coefficient. So your answer will be 3, and CPU works with the floating values. You will be getting 3.0, sorry, 5.0, 5.0. So don't worry, 5.0 or 5 both are same. CPU works mostly with this floating values. That's why you are getting 5.0. So that is about division. Then what about floor division? What about floor division? So 2 forward slashes is known as an floor division. Okay, floor division. So let's say for example 10. See, same 2 examples I will tell you. So 10 forward floor division 3. So same story. How the division is doing, in the same way the floor division also. Division, floor division both are same. So here see 3 divided by 10. So 3 3s are 9, remainder 1. If I add dot, I can add 0. Again 3 3s are 9, 1. Again 3 3s are 9, 1. So the answer will be same. But division, what is the difference between division and floor division? Division will take the coefficient value. Okay. Floor division will also take the coefficient value, but division will take whatever it is there here. Suppose if the 3.3333 is there, means division will take complete coefficient value. Division will take complete coefficient. Division complete coefficient value it will take. Floor division, it will take after the dot, whatever the values are there, it won't take. After the dot, whatever the value is there, floor division won't take. So now see, if we do the 10 divided by 3, the answer is 3.333. Why? Division is collecting everything. Division will take everything. But floor division, what it will do? Floor division, after the dot, whatever is there, it is not collected. So the answer will be only 3. So the answer will be only 3. So after the dot, decimals will be not allowed. You see here, if you see this one also, let's say if you see this one also. So what is the output? What is the output? The output is 5.0. Basically, output is getting 5.0. After that, 0 will be also not counted. After the decimal, it will be not counted. You can see here. Sorry, not division, floor division. Floor division. Only 5. Okay. So that is the difference between division and floor division. That is the difference between division and floor division. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and floor division. Okay, guys, following me now, all of you? All of you following me, right?
Yes, sir. Following, sir.
So next one, percentile symbol, which is a mod function. Okay, mod function. And guys, keep one thing in mind. Very much important mod function. Here, see, if I write something like 10 divided by 3, I will write 3 different ways. I will write here 3 different ways. One is division. One is division. Second one is floor division. Floor division. Third one is mod function. Third one is mod function. Okay. So division means 10 divided by 3. For example, what will be the calculation? What will be the calculation? Okay. 3, 10. 3 3 is a 9. Remainder 1. Dot, if I keep again 3 or 0, 3 3 is a 9, 1. So 3, 9. So it goes on like that. So division will be collecting entire value. So division will collect entire value like 3.333. How much is the entire value it will collect? Floor division, same operation. Floor division, the entire operation is same, but decimals won't be counted. Dot, this will be not counted. This will be not collected, I'm telling you. This will be not counted. This one. Okay, guys. So floor division, what it will do? It will just remove. I mean, it will ignore. It's not about removing. It will ignore this. It will completely ignore the values which are after the dot. Simple. But now my agenda is to explain mod function. Mod function is known as a single line calculated function. I'm telling you. Single line calculated function. Okay, it's a single line calculated function, which means, see, you come here, 10, same story. Suppose if I write like 10 mod of 3, if I write 10 mod of 3, okay, so 3, 10. Same story. 3, 10. Single line calculation. 3, 3 is a 9. Remainder is how much? 1. Done. Completed. So sorry if I keep the dot, I can add 0. No. No stories, nothing. Only division, floor division will work like that. Division means you will goes on doing the operation. Floor division also same division only. But in the result, after the dot, it will not collect everything. Mod function single line calculation. 3 3 is a 9. Remainder 1. Done. Completed. Only one time calculation. So and mod function will collect the remainder. Mod function will collect the remainder. See, suppose if I come here, if I give 10, suppose if I give 10 mod of 3. So let's say what is that? 10 is there, no? So 10 mod of 3, yeah. So 10 mod 3. You can see the calculation, you will be getting the outcome 1. You will be getting the outcome 1. Why? You can see it will take the remainder. One more example I will tell you. Let's say 13 mod of 5, for example. So same concept, if you do with the division, what happens? 5, 13. 5 2 is a 10, remainder 2, sorry, remainder 3, dot 0 will come. 5 6 is 30, remainder 0. So division will take 2.6. Floor division will take only 2 because after the dot it will not collect. But what about mod function? Suppose if I write 13 mod of 5 means 5 13. 5 2 is a 10. Remainder is how much? 2. Mod function will collect the remainder, only single calculation. You can see here same example. So what was the example? So 13 divided by 5. If it's a division means the answer is how much? 2.6. If it is a floor division means what? If it is a floor division means what? The answer is only 2. If it is a mod function, the answer is 3, right? Not 2, sorry, 3. So 5 2 is a 10, remainder is 3. So 3. Simple. So most interview point question. Difference between division, floor division and mod function. Okay. So next.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, you said mod function remainder is 3, no, sir? It will take only 1, sir. After decimal only it will take. Before decimal.
Where is the decimal here? Only one calculation, no decimal. Remainder won't be having the decimal, no?
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Okay, 5 2 is a 10, remainder 3, that's it. Only one calculation. So floor mod function won't go with the coefficient. So there is no chance to get the decimals. Okay. Yeah. So that is about division, floor division and mod function. So next one, power. 2 stars. 2 stars means power. Okay. So power means what? See, there are 3 different ways. One is multiplication. Okay. Let's say a squaring power. Multiply, square, power. 3 different options will be there in the mathematics. I hope everyone are aware of it. So first example is, let's say, multiply. Multiply is one of the option. Let's say square is the second option and power is the third option. For example, multiply. So I will do like this, multiply. So 5 into 2, star symbol. 5 into 2, how much? 10. 5 to the 10. Square means what? Square means same number you are squaring. 5 5 is 25. Okay. Square, 5 square. Okay. 5 square, 5 5 is 25. Power means what? Power means here cube will be also there. Okay. Cube before, after the square, cube also will come. So cube. So cube means what? Suppose cube means 3 times. So square means 2 times. Cube means 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. 25 5 is 125. Multiply means one value you can multiply with another value. Square means same value 2 times. Cube means same value 3 times. Okay, next power. Power means what? Let's say suppose if I write 2 power 5. 2 power 5. What is the meaning of that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 you are writing 5 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 is the answer. Power means you can take a number, on top of that number you can pass anything. Suppose if I raise 10 power 6, what is the meaning of that? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000, 10,000 tens are 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 10 is nothing but 10 lakhs. Okay, so like that. This is the difference and you can implement here. So let's say before applying, I will do 3 operations. What is that? Multiply. So for example, if you write 5 into 2, it's a multiplication. It's a multiplication. It's a multiplication. Second one, you can say square. Square means what? Same number 2 times. 5 into 5. Okay. 5 into 5. How much? 25. Next one, cube. So 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5. What is that? Cube. It's a cube. We call them as a cube. We will be getting 125. But power means what? A number on top which number? So one number on top of it, another number. Let's say, for example, if I take 2, see 2 on top of 2, what you want to write? 5. So 2 power 5. Okay. And I'm telling you, no need of giving the space. It's my habit. You can directly write like this, close to each other. Okay. 2, so single star means 2 into 5. Let's say 2 into 2 star 5 means 2 into 5, 10. But what I'm telling, 2 stars. 2 star means what? Power on top. On top I am passing 5. 2 power 5 is nothing but 32, which you can see the calculation here. Simple. So if I run it, you can see 2 power 5 is how much, guys? 32. 2 power 5 is how much? We are going to get 32 power. Now here, if you see, come back, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, mod function, power find. Here I have written one thing. What I have written? Power built-in function. So there are 2 different things. Directly you can do manually. Let's say, so manually if you do like this is power only. Suppose if I write 2 power 5 means 2 stars 5 means what? 2 power 5. 2 power 5. So you will be getting 32. You can directly write like this. Or else we have a built-in function. So for the power, we have one built-in function also. So you can, if you want to write manually, you can write manually. No, sir, I want to use built-in function, which is already available in Python means, yes, definitely you can use that also. Definitely you can use that also. How, sir? So just now I told you, like it's a Python software, math library is there, statistics library, ML library is there, built-in functions are there like print or type. Like this, if you want to use the functions which are inside the library means you will import, which means unzip, and you will use the function. Might be like math library or stats or anything. First you need to unzip, which means import. Then you will use the functions which is present inside the library. Normally outside also functions will be available. Let's say a print which is available outside the libraries. It's not inside any library. Normal built-in function type. Like that we have a built-in function called power. Like that we have a built-in function called power. One of the built-in function. So see, power. Okay, not power, very sorry, power, POW. POW means power, shortcut name. POW, it's not power, it's a POW. The POW is also one of the built-in function. So POW of, I am writing 2, 5. I am writing 2, 5. So instead of writing 2 stars 5, which means 2 stars means to the top 5. you will be getting 32. Instead of writing like this, you can use the built-in function also. So built-in function power 2 comma 5, which means power 2. First one will be the base. Next one will be the top 2 power 5. Suppose if I write power 10 comma 6, 10 will be the down, 6 will be the top. 10 to the power of 6. So power 2 comma 5 means 2 power 5. 2 power 5, you will be getting 32. You will be getting 32. Same like this all. But I'm going to tell you one thing, guys. As a beginners, you are very, very new to the Python. If you learn anything, any built-in function or any library, anything you learn in a very detailed way, or else don't learn. Why I am telling you? I am writing power of 2 comma 5. Power of 2 comma 5. So 2 power 5. Yes or not? 2 power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 32 we are getting. Suppose if I pass here, power of 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60, it won't work. Why it won't work? To know these operations, first of all, what this built-in function will do, you need to have a very, very, very clear and a very good idea. I'm telling you, you need to have very clear and very, very good idea. Okay, very good idea. Okay, see, if you are passing 2 comma 5, that is coming. But if you pass 5 values here, 2 comma 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 20, it was possible. It was not possible. So you need to understand completely about this power function. Not only this, any function you need to learn in a detailed way. So now a new terminologies I will introduce. So first go to the internet. In the internet, what I am telling is pow in Python. See, pow function in Python. You can check the original documentation or anywhere you can check. First I will go with the W3 Schools. Fantastic site. So let's study about it. Now my point what I'm saying is, sir, you are writing pow and you are writing parenthesis. I told you this is a square bracket, flower bracket and parenthesis. We call them as parenthesis. Why, sir? Why you are not writing a square bracket? Why you are writing only parenthesis? Because it is the rule that we need to follow, which was given by the community, Python community. If you want to learn a concept, make sure you need to follow the guidelines. So what they are telling, you need to write pow and you need to write parenthesis only. So this is the rule. Okay. Now you come down. Let's study about this very clearly. I will tell you. Everyone be very focused in this part. Everyone be very, very, very focused in this part, in these two lines and sincere. So what is the power function? POW function. So POW function is expecting, see, listen very carefully. POW function is expecting 3 inputs from the user, which means we call them as parameters. Somebody, if anyone asks you, like, hey, please tell me POW function, how many parameters it will accept? POW function, how many arguments it will accept? How many it will accept from the user? See, POW function is present inside the Python. I am the user. So POW function is expecting how many functions from the user. From me, how many it is expecting? You call them as parameters or you call them as arguments. Okay, terminologies are important. Power function is expecting how many parameters, or power function is expecting how many arguments from the user. It is expecting 3. Power function is expecting 3 arguments, 3 parameters from the user. One is one input is X, another input is Y, and some other input is Z. So 3 inputs it is expecting. So it doesn't matter like what they will do. That's a different story. It is expecting 3. And what they are telling, X is mandatory, y is mandatory. Last one, z is optional. Z is optional. So for that purpose, okay, power function is expecting 3 from the user. This last one is option. So what I will do, power of x comma 5. So last one is optional, so I am not going to consider z. So power of, let's say in the place of x, see, you study here clearly. So in the place of x, I will pass 2. In the place of y, I will pass 5. So x means 2, y means 5. What they are telling, x number to the base. If you pass, whatever you pass in the x, it will be the base. Whatever you pass in the y, it will be the exponential. You can see here, the power function returns the value of x to the power of y. So they are telling, see, this is the formula. What is the, if you pass only 2 parameters, so the formula will be x power y, which means what? In the place of x, what is there? 2. In the place of y, what is there? 5. 2 power 5 is how much? 32. That already have done here. See, that already 2 comma 5 I am passing. I am going to get 32. I am getting simply 32. Am I right? 32. Next, come back. Next, what they are telling? So, okay, third parameter is an option, you have left it. But what about if there is a third parameter? See, power of x comma y comma z. Okay. Power of I am passing 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5 comma 7, for example. Note down here everything. X is 2. Y is, in the place of y I am passing 5. In the place of z I am passing 7. What they are telling, if third parameter is present, and they are telling if third parameter is present, it's an option. If it is present, what happens? So first what we have to do is power of 2 comma 5 comma 7. First 2, you know, this is x, this is y, this is z. So what I am going to do is, as they mentioned, first I will do x power y. So first I will do x power y. X means what? 2. Y means what? 5. 2 power 5 is how much? 32. Okay, I am getting 32. First point completed. What they are telling, if the third parameter present, it returns x to the power of y. See, already I have done x to the power of y. I have done. I got 32. Mod of z. So x to the power of y, mod of z. X to the power of 5 means 32. 32 mod of z. So 32 mod of, in the place of z, what is there? 7. 32. 7 4s are 28. What is outcome? 4. Single shot 4. And I told you mod function will expect remainder. So what is the output? So if you pass power of 2 comma 5 comma 7, your output will be 4. Your output will be 4. You implement here, same thing you will get. If you implement also, you will be getting same thing. See, power of 2 comma 5 comma 7. So first x to the power of y, 2 to the power of y, 32. 32 mod of 7. See, you will be getting 4. 4 is the answer. So that is how you need to understand the function. Now, if anyone asks you in the power function, of course, power function will take 3 arguments. If you don't pass the last one, z is an option. Okay. So x and y are important. So, and if you pass the third one, it will behave like a mod. Guys, understood completely about the mod function? Suppose one more point I will tell you, one more example. If I pass power of 3 comma 3 comma 5. 3 comma 3 comma 5. Power of 3 comma 3 comma 5. First write the formula x comma y comma z. X is 3, y is 3, z is 5. Okay. So what they are telling, if there is no third parameter, x to the power of y. If there is a third parameter also, x to the power of 5. So this is x, this is y, this is z. No, x to the power of y, which means 3 to the power of 3, which means 27. 3 power 3, 3 is a 9 and 3 is a 27. 27 x to the, if there is a third parameter present, x to the power of y mod of z, this is the formula. X to the power of 5 means what? 27. 27 mod of z, z means what? 5. So 5, 27. 5 5 is a 25. Remainder is how much? 2. Only single shot calculation. One shot calculation. 5 5 is a 25. Remainder 2. 6. The answer will be 2. The answer will be 2. So this is about power function in a very, very detailed way. Guys, I hope you understood, all of you. You can see this also. Same. Okay. That is about power function. And you know, greater than, less than, all these things I will tell you. Okay. So for example, you tell me guys, 10 greater than 20, true or false? True or false? Only Boolean outcomes. False. 10 greater than 20, false.
False, sir.
10 less than 20, true or false? True.
True.
It will be true. Okay. 10 greater than 20, false. 10 less than 20, true. So it's like a Boolean outcome, either true or either false. Out of these two operations, anyone, true or false, anyone. Now, one thing I just want to tell you, lot of students will confuse in these two. Okay, 10 greater than 20, false, of course. 10 less than 20, true. This everyone can say, and it is easy. Greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. These two operations, lot of people will confuse. I will explain you in a very, very detailed way. Before that, we need to see two operations. One is equal to and double equal to. So what is equal to? Equal to means what, sir? Equal to means, I told you, equal to, what equal to will do? If I write a equal to 50 means what? What is equal to will do? Equal to will take the right side data type and it will give to the left side variable. Anything. In a single word, if I want to say, okay, so right side operation will be given to the left side. Right side operation will be given to the left side. That is what equal to, simple. See, if I run it, nothing happens. So because right side will be given to left side. Double equal to means what? Double equal to means, suppose if I write 10, double equals to 11. So double equal to means a right side and left side. So both the sides are same or not? Okay, both the sides, this side and this side, both the side values are same or not? If the values are same, the output will be true. If the values are not same, the output will be false. See, left side 10, right side 1. So it is false. Values are not same. So 10 and 10. Left side 10, right side 10. It is true. So the difference, most interview point question, difference between equal to and double equal to means equal to will take the right side value and will give to the left side variable. Double equal to means left side and right side both same or not? Left side and right side both same or not? Very simple. And there is another one, 10 not equal to 9. You tell me guys, true or false? 10 not equal to 9. Of course true. 10 is not equal to 9. It will be true only. So this is known as a not. This symbol is there, no? This particular symbol. This is known as a not. This is known as a not. Not equal to. True or false? Last two, very, very important. Listen very carefully. Suppose, see, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, two operations. Suppose if I am writing, see, simple, a lot of people will confuse. I will tell you simple logic for this case. Very, very simple logic I will tell you. So if I write 10 greater than or equal to 9. If I write like this, a lot of students will confuse. So 10 greater than 9 means true, but what about 10 greater than or equal to 9? So when you see these kind of things, immediately you do two operations. Immediately you do two things. Split them. 10 greater than or equal to 9. No, I will make them into two pieces. 10 greater than 9 is one piece, and 10 double equals to 9 is one piece. See, 10 greater than or equal to, checking it is equal to or not. So 10 greater than 9 is 1 point. 10 double equal to 9 is 1 point. So 10 greater than or equal to 9, condition true. 10 double equal to 9, condition false. Out of two operations, one is true means the output will be true. One is true means the output will be true. For example, see here, 10 greater than or equals to 9, or equals to 10 greater than or equals to 9. So 10 greater than 9 true, but 10 double equal to 9 false. But out of these two operations, one is true, so the output will be true. Output will be true. Simple logic. So the output will be true. Suppose if I write 10 greater than or equals to 10. 10 greater than or equals to 10. So what about that? So see, 10 greater than or equals to 10. 10 greater than 10. 10 double equal to 10. Okay. So see here, this is false. 10 greater than 10 means false. Any value can't be bigger than that value. But this is true. This is true. So of course the output will be true. So out of the two, if both are true means true. Okay, what I'm saying is, if both are true means true. For example, if you see here, let's say, if I write here, for example, let me take here. Okay, let me take here any number or anything. So in a simple way, if I want to say, if both true means true, at least one true means true only output. Both are false means false. Both are false. For example, if you see here, I will write another logic here. So let's say 20 less than or equals to 19. 20 less than or equals to 19. Divide them into two different pieces. 20 less than 19 is one part. 20 double equal to 19 is one part. Okay. 20 less than 19 is one part. 20 double equal to 19 is another part. 20 less than 19 means, of course, condition false. 20 double equals to 10 means condition false. Both are false, guys. What will be the output? Guys, what will be the output? Both false means false. Both true means true. So see, 20 less than or equals to 19. 20 less than or equals to 19. False. Both are false means false. At least one true means what you will do? In the place of this one, if I keep greater than or equals to. So what happens? 20, I will mark here. 20 greater than 19. Condition true, this one. Now it is true. This is false. So one true means output will be true only. One true means output will be true only. So 20 greater than or equals to 19 means it is true only. Simple. So this is about greater than and less than. Simple logic. You need to split them. You just need to split them into the pieces, and then you need to understand. There are two more operations. Like say last two, I just forgot to mention there, which is and or. 16th one and 17th one or. So and means what, sir? First we'll start with or. Or means both, out of both conditions. This is condition 1, this is condition 2. Out of two conditions, both false means false only. One false, one true means true. Two trues means true only. Please note it down, all the things. Both false means of course false. One false, one true means true only. Two trues means true only. What is that one? Let's say 10 greater than 11 or 10 less than 9. Suppose I am writing like this. This is one condition. This is another condition. Though this condition is true, 10 greater than 11, false. 10 less than, 10 greater than 11, false. 10 less than 9, false. If both are false means what? Both are false means what? False only. False. Suppose if I write here 10 greater than 11, false, but 10 greater than 9, true. Out of 4 to 1 true means true. 1 true means or means true only. Okay, but what about and? And is also same story. And condition 1, condition 2. Both, see, false, false. If both the conditions false means false. One condition false, one condition true means false. Both true means then only it will be true. Both true means then only it will be true. For example, see, 10 greater than 9 and 10 less than 20. So 10 greater than 9. Okay. So say 10 less than 9. 10 less than 9. False. 10 less than 20. False. Both false means what? Output will be false only. Output will be false. Suppose see 10 greater than 9. One is true. 1 is true, 1 is false. Then also output will be false only. Output will be false. And 1 minute and condition 10 greater than 9. Oh, this is so. Okay. Let me do. Say 10 greater than 9, true. 10 greater than 20, false. 1 true, 1 false. Output will be false only. But if I write 10 greater than 9, condition true. 10 less than 20, condition true. Both conditions true means then only the output will be true. In a simple way, if I want to say, or means condition 1, condition 2. At least 1 true means enough. And means condition 1, condition both should be true. That is the difference. So this is completely about the operators in the Python, library concepts, built-in functions and operators. So till here guys, you have anything you can ask me. So in the next section we are going to discuss about, so from tomorrow next 1 week, very important sections I'm telling you. Next 1 week, okay, please attend without fail. We are going to discuss. You learned about string. But that is not enough. What you have learned in the string, in between the quotes, you write anything, it's a string. So it's not. So string, list, tuple, sets, dictionary. We have 5 concepts, 5 major important concepts. So these 5, it will take around 6 to 7 days. Very important gunshot interview questions will be asked in this. So tomorrow we'll start from the strings. Strings only, I think it will take 2 days. Very big concept. If we learn in a detailed way, of course we will learn in a detailed way. Takes time, don't worry. So okay guys, still here any doubts you can ask me. All of you. Understood the section? All understood very clearly? Meanwhile, what I will do, as I mentioned, whatever the work that I am doing here will be available here. Let's say today we learned examples, right? So I will upload the examples. Please sit and practice. So yesterday I uploaded the examples. Okay, please sit and practice. Same examples means like same what I am doing. 2 to 3 option examples will be there. Okay, Python same well operators, right? Where is, see, Python operators. And in the PPT I uploaded already. See here data types, variables and operators. In this file operators will be also there if I'm not wrong. See, operators is there, please check it. Operator is also available. Next one, written material, right? I think I haven't written anything today. There's no need, no? So I think you know very well. Already it is available in the notebook. So everything is here, guys. You just sit and practice. If there is any queries, you can ask me in the WhatsApp. I will be here there to respond. Clear, right, guys? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Very good evening. Good night, all of you. Sudarshan is asking me star equal to slash equal to. No. Those things we will not use, Sudarshan. So we are not building any high level web applications. Those people will use to manage the inputs. Whatever the operators that we discuss, more than enough for us. We will use those operators in the deep learning or AI anywhere. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow, same time. Very good night, all of you. Thank you.